Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your background in the Zoom mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to start or join a Zoom meeting to access the background settings. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate by starting a new meeting. Tap on New Meeting and give it a few seconds to load up. The app needs a moment to prepare your camera and audio settings. Next, tap Start a Meeting from the options available. Again, wait a few seconds while the meeting initializes. You'll see your video feed starting to appear on screen. Now at the bottom of your screen, tap the Start button to officially begin your meeting. This will activate your camera and microphone and you'll be placed into the meeting room. Once you're in the meeting, tap anywhere on your screen to bring up the Zoom controls at the bottom. These controls give you access to all the essential meeting features. Look for the 3 dotted lines icon, which represents more options, and tap on it. From the menu that appears, tap on Apps. Give it a moment to load, as this section contains various integrated features that enhance your Zoom experience. In the Apps menu, you'll see an option called Virtual Backgrounds. Tap on it to access all the background customization features. This is where you can completely transform how you appear in meetings, whether you want a professional office setting or something more creative. Now in the upper right corner, you'll notice 3 dotted lines again. Tap on them and you'll see an option to blur your background if you prefer a simple, professional look without choosing a specific image. This blur effect works great when you want to minimize distractions behind you while keeping things subtle. Alternatively, if you'd rather use a preset virtual background, you can select from the available backgrounds below. At the top of the screen, you'll see different categories like nature, interiors, art, and travel. Each category offers a variety of themed backgrounds, so select your preferred category based on the mood or professional appearance you're going for. Browse through the virtual backgrounds by swiping left or right. You'll see previews of how each background will look with your video feed. When you find a background you like, tap on it. After you tap your chosen background, a Set Background button will appear on the right side of the screen. Tap this button to enable and apply your selected background immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed your background in the Zoom mobile app, giving your video calls a fresh, professional, or fun new look. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.